Okay, hi everyone. Okay, today we will talk about this Wi-Fi smart battery camera with cloud video recording, and it is free. Okay, free. 7 days free, and then up to many years lah you will override. So this is free cloud recording. The camera in front of me, this is all the IP camera they will use to sell it or in the market, and this will not have any free cloud storage. Even though when they have cloud, they need to pay, yearly, pay the yearly fees. This one is free. Why we need to introduce this today? Okay, we are in CCTV business for 18 years. Okay, whenever you all install CCTV in your premises or your houses, you all spend 10,000 or 20,000, correct or not? So whenever the robbery, or the thief comes to your place, and then they steal the CCTV, the recorder, the recorder. Once they steal, and then your recording, all your evidence is gone because you got no more data, correct or not? You got no cloud for it. Then you cannot report to police because you got no more evidence. The thing is being stolen. So with this, it's free cloud storage. Whenever it detect motion, it will save to cloud. Okay, so it's saved to cloud. Even though the camera is being stolen, your video is still in the cloud. Okay, for 7 days. Okay, so this one, it comes with a battery. For example, you install in the safe box area or your storeroom. Okay, it can last you very long, up to a few months. Okay, because when there is no motion, this camera is under standby mode. Okay, when there's motion, there's a PR here, then it only will detect and send the video to the cloud. Okay, and it also can input power. For example, your places has many motion, correct now? So it takes up a lot of power. So you can also insert power to choke the power cable. Okay, leave it there 24 hours. Today we will show you a example how quick is the notification whenever it detects human. So today I will ask Ashad to walk in, and then we will see. Okay, for example, my phone is here. Okay, we can see the notification immediately. Okay, now we see a motion, so we click inside. Okay, immediately we can see Ashad went in and take the tablet immediately. So this video is actually being saved in cloud, so you don't have to worry. It's all under here. All this video you can see is inside the cloud already. Okay, up to 7 days. So even though this camera is being stolen, you don't have to worry because all the video is already in the cloud. Okay, you can download it and then you can report to police. So this one is very good, very good, which is the market, they doesn't come with a free cloud storage. Okay, even though other people they must pay. Okay, this one is free cloud video. Okay, free cloud video. Okay, thank you very much.